Top headlines for the day.
Jab Hari Met Sejal starring Anushka Sharma and King of Romance SRK is all set to hit the theatres on August 4. And well, we are pretty sure almost every one of us is excited to catch the movie, isn't it? Well, we told you already that the advance bookings have already started and looks like the movie has opened well. But do you know what caught our eyes? Well, it is the exorbitant ticket prices. Yes guys, we are not kidding. Do you know what is the price of the costliest ticket for the movie? Well, it is not only above average, but the costliest tickets available cost Rs 2400. Now this did leave you already in a state of shock. Let us elaborate this for you. The ticket price for Jab Hari Met Sejal at PVR Director's Cut Ambience in Delhi is Rs 2400. Are you ready to dig a hole in your pockets? Tell us your views in the comment box below and stay tuned. Have you missed watching Salman Khan's latest film in theatres and eagerly waiting for its television premiere? Well, seems like your wait is gonna end real soon, cause Amazon Prime Video brings to you the collection of Salman Khan's latest movies streaming online. Isn't that exciting enough? Well, the superstar was seen giving this good news in a 37 seconds long video. Now, talking about Salman's present work front, the actor is gearing up for hosting the 11th season of popular celebrity reality show Bigg Boss for the 8th consecutive season. And on the other side, he is busy shooting for his upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai and preparing for Remo D'Souza's next dance film. So guys, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
Directed by Imtiaz Ali, Jab Hari Met Sejal's release date is round the corner, and the makers of this upcoming rom-com is busy with its last-minute promotion. After Dubai, their next stop is Varanasi. Oh yes, Shah Rukh Khan, Anushka Sharma and Imtiaz Ali visits Varanasi for the promotion of this upcoming flick. Well, before this, SRK had been to different cities nationwide for its promotion. Produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Jab Hari Met Sejal is winning hearts all over even before its release. Whether be its mini trails, promotional grammar or its variant taste of music, everything makes it a complete package of blockbuster. This travel love story starring Shah Rukh and Anushka in pivotal roles is slated to release on August 4th. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
Directed by Imtiaz Ali, Jab Hari Met Sejal's release date is around the corner. But still there's time in its release and the market is already abuzz with the reports of box office predictions about the film. Well, according to the trade analysts, the film is likely to mint 22 to 23 crores on its opening day, and by garnering 75 to 76 crores on its opening weekend, Jab Hari Met Sejal is expected to stride its first step towards creating history. Now talking about the film, Jab Hari Met Sejal is a travel love story featuring SRK and Anushka Sharma in the titular characters of Hari and Sejal, wherein the duo will be seen portraying a tourist and a tour guide. Well, the film is all set to mark its release on August 4. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Jab Hari Met Sejal is surely raising the expectations and grabbing all the eyeballs. Curiosity among fans seems to be never ending, and now the craze of the movie is also visible among the industry members. Well, that's what we are going to tell you in this video. Guess who was spotted at the special screening of Jab Hari Met Sejal? Well, it is none other than Ranbir Kapoor. While Ranbir looked dapper in his casual look, we also spotted music composer Pritam along with Jab Hari Met Sejal director Imtiaz Ali. Well, just to remind you, Ranbir and Imtiaz have worked on Rockstar and Tamasha earlier together and are known to share a great rapport. On the work front, Ranbir's last release was Jagga Jasoos opposite Katrina Kaif, and the actor is currently shooting for Rajkumar Hirani's Sanjay Dutt biopic. So guys, what are your views about this? Tell us in the comment section below. Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming release, Jab Harry Met Sejal, has already won hearts with its mini trails and its variant range of music. And now it has upped the game with its advanced booking also. According to the reports, this Imtiaz Ali directorial is going quite strong with its advanced booking, where tickets are being sold in fast-filling mode. If we compare SRK's latest with its last release, there are strong chances that Jab Harry Met Sejal will definitely beat Raees by a huge margin. Yes, you heard it right. Shah Rukh Khan's last release, Raees, had minted 9 crores from his advanced booking and paid previews. And now, studying the trends, seem like Jab Harry Met Sejal will garner 14 to 15 crores from its advanced bookings. Now, talking about the film produced by Red Chillies Entertainment, Jab Harry Met Sejal is all set to hit the theatres on August 4. So, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below.
भाई एक मिनट यहाँ होल्ड करो भाई भाई एक मिनट यहाँ होल्ड करो भाई भाई आप भाई सेकंड बस सेंटर भाई ये लेफ्ट साइड भाई स्ट्रेट भाई 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 चलो ना भाई
बाइक चाहिए बाइक चाहिए
Bigg Boss 11 is already making a lot of news. Well, we have already revealed you the twist in the theme of Bigg Boss 11, that is introducing family members on the show. And now we are here to give you a glimpse of the Bigg Boss Eye, which had been a sort of emblem for the show since its inception. But this time it looks pretty different than the logos we saw earlier. Well, whatever may be the look, we kind of like it a lot. It adds some rawness to the show, isn't it? The wait for the show is getting a little too difficult to bear. Anyway, how excited are you for Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 11? Share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. And also stay tuned to Bollywood Spy as we get you all the latest details about the Bigg Boss 11 right here. Salman Khan is surely one of the most foremost talent when it comes to comic timing and pure enthusiasm. To be that level of a superstar, you need to be a fabulous actor, photogenic, charismatic, and extremely intelligent about the industry trend as well. And we must say there is a humongous fan following behind the actor. But guys, do you know it is not just Aam Janta like us who are big Salmaniacs, but there are also a lot of other Bollywood celebrities who are true Bhaijan fans. And one of them is Khiladi of Bollywood. Of course, we are talking about Akshay Kumar. Everybody knows who the big superstar is. Salman Khan is huge, his collections are huge, and he is a pure commercial actor. Well, we cannot agree more on this. Don't you guys think the same? Share your thoughts with us in the comment box below.
Much has been said and written about the fourth installment of the superhero series Krish. And now we hear that Krish 4, obviously starring Hrithik Roshan, is all set to roll on the floors by early 2018. Reports are doing the rounds that Rakesh Roshan is in the final scripting stages and has confirmed that the film will be going on the floors by early 2018. It's also been heard that the team are planning for a Christmas 2018 release, which means it will clash with Anand L. Rai's untitled dwarf film starring Shah Rukh Khan, Anushka Sharma and Katrina Kaif. but it hasn't yet been confirmed whether any actor of the previous installments will be starring in this upcoming installment. Though we should tell you, we are really keen to watch Priyanka Chopra come together with Hrithik once more, especially after her international debut. So what's your take on this, guys? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, don't forget to tune into Bollywood Spy. Salman Khan's upcoming action blockbuster Tiger Zinda Hai has been in the news for quite some time now. The film, which is slated to release on this year Christmas, has already piqued our excitement a lot. Well, a couple of weeks back, Salman Khan was quoted saying that the film will be based on real incidents. And now it seems like more details about this action romance dollop have been revealed. If the sources are something to go by, then this action thriller will be based on the militant organization ISIS's devastating recent attack on 46 Indian nurses. Well, recently this militant organization had kidnapped 46 Indian nurses, whom an Indian ambassador Bibi Tyagi rescued with his valiance. Hopefully Salman will be seen portraying Bibi Tyagi's character on the silver screen, and thus succeed in making this a story about real life. So what's your take on this, guys? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
The release date of Jab Harry Met Sejal is round the corner, and the makers of this upcoming flick are leaving no stones unturned for its promotion. Last weekend, Shah Rukh and Anushka were been to Dubai for JHMS promotion. And now, after promoting this upcoming flick and getting back huge love and response, the duo have flown back to Mumbai. Well, post the Dubai promotion, Shah Rukh Khan was spotted at the Mumbai airport, arriving with Abraham and Anushka. Now talking about the film, produced by Red Chillies Entertainment and directed by Imtiaz Ali, this upcoming rom-com is slated to release on August 4th, wherein Asaki and Anushka will be seen portraying the titular characters of Harry and Sejal. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.